Hello everyone, welcome to Conversion and Sustainability session. In this session, actually, I'll talk about the policy conversion towards the KASI. So first I will talk about the National Agriculture Policy 2018, and especially the two areas, the objective of the policy related to the KASI and its implementation in our location. If you look this, the alignment of this policy objective at the KASI, lot of alignment we find out from this National Agriculture Policy 2018. Because of this, the projects have a good contribution during the revision phase of this the policy, because the SRPSA projects reviewed this existing policy, find out the policy gaps and the policy direction. They try to fit the policy makers, and during this sharing of the policy briefs, organize their field workshops and also the field findings. So that's why the good reflection we observe in this existing National Agriculture Policy 2018. And not only the sharing the policy gaps, policy revisions, these projects also work for this the policy implementation. So that's why we very closely work with all these nurse institute and also the universities, NGOs, and in these areas through their, the innovation platform, and also the coordination, cooperation meetings, learning sharings, and we found the good achievements in the four areas, particularly the field research. Many research is done regarding the variety development, crop diversification, intensification, and also the agricultural machineries by the BWMRI, BARI, BRI, INGOs and universities in these areas. For the technology transfer, DAE, YFRD, INGO, and RDRS is working. And for the farm mechanizations, a lot of projects is taken by the DAE, RDRS, private sector in these areas. And now we are talking about this conservation agriculture as a specialized agriculture by the DAE, INGO, and RDRS. And second policy is a National Agricultural Mechanization Policy. This project is a direct contribution for the formation of this project. This is a very new projects, new policies. So projects work to formulate these policies. And if you look this, the objective of the policy has a good linkage with this KASI, and it's a the good achievements and of this implementation of these policies, and particularly the extension of agricultural machineries and skill developments. So big projects is done by this DAE. 30,200 millions is a 5 years projects. In these projects, 56,000 and machineries unit will be distributed among these, the farm families. And on the other hand, the research development body, 560 millions projects, research projects has taken. BRI is also 440 millions projects is taken. And university, particularly the BU, there also did the many research activities. Private sector, particularly ACI, metal, hog corporations, they are also investing money for the research of the machineries. And in the area of the expansion of manufacturing industries, a lot of local manufacturing come forward, and also bigger companies they are importing some machineries. In the credit support, the bank, Bangladesh Agricultural Bank, Russia Kishi Unnayan Bank, MFI, they are also giving the credit to the farmers to buy the machineries. And Third, the policy, agricultural extension policy. This is the new policies. So, and the projects, particularly SFSA projects, has a good contribution to formulation and the revision of this project, the policies. And a lot of alignment is also here. And based on that, DAE, they are implementing mechanization of agriculture through integrated management projects that I already discussed. So another project, IFMC project, and very interesting, and so one initiative taken by this DA, synchronized cultivation under their agriculture incentive program. And another big projects is a LGD DAE joint projects for the Rangpur division, agriculture and rural development projects. The World Bank funded projects, National Agriculture Technology Program, NETP2, all they are working for the agricultural development in relation to the KASI, and good achievements in the current agricultural extension policies. District Agricultural Extension Coordination Committee, they are playing a very coordinated way to implement all the agricultural the technology in these areas. NGOs, particular RDRS core comprehensive program, they have adopted the KASI technology. They are doing. Syngenta Foundation Bangladesh, they're also working, and CIMIT is the continuing their activities for this conservation agriculture. But we believe that the following issues still we have to take seriously for the sustainability of the conservation based sustainable intensification, mainstreaming of the conservation agriculture in the DE program is very, very important. Allocate more seeder machines in ongoing project program of DA, because less number of the seeder machine has allocated. On the other machineries, thresher, harvester number is very high. And we need to develop more agricultural machinery service provider, being an entrepreneur, and capacity building of the agricultural machineries, manufacturing industries should be done by the body, BWMRI and private sector. Research on agricultural mechanization and cropping system could be continued by body and BWMRI. Increased participation youth and women in agriculture is very, very important. So existing DAE and NGOs program should consider seriously. Engagement of the private sector and good coordinations among the stakeholders should be led by the DAE, where Nurse Institute, NGO, private sector can contribute, can participate. Thank you for listening to me.